Hello students, welcome to our channel Easy Tutorial All Solution. Today we have the topic linear equation in two variables of class 9th chapter 4. So, what is linear equation in two variables? First of all, we are discuss what is linear equation. We have written here linear equation is also known as first degree order equation. When the equation have the value of 1, when the equation have the value of 1, we call linear equation. In the same way, if the equation have with two variables like x and y, then we call linear equation in two variable. Where the highest power of variable is 1, then we call linear equation. The example of linear equation is 2x plus y equal to 1. Why we call this linear equation? Why not polynomial? Yes, we can say it polynomial. What is the difference between both? If we can see here 2x plus y, we can see the sign of equal to. It shows that the value of LHS, the value of this equation is equals to 1. That's why we call this linear equation, not polynomial, isn't it? Now we see further. Now the linear equation, we can see, we just represent the geometrical representation of linear equation in two variables. We have made this here graph. This is called x-axis and this one we call y-axis. Let's satisfy this equation. 2x plus y is equals to 6. This is also example of linear equation in two variable. We have variables x and y. Let us assume the values, we are taking points which can we try where it lies on the graph. The value of x 0, here y 6. It means these points we take to make graph. Now we are going to make where it lies on the graph. The first point is 0. This is our 0 point. Now the point 6, y point 6. Here. Second 3, 0. 3, 0. Third point 1, 4. 1, 4. Fourth point is 2, 2. 2, 2. Now we are seeing this. The points lies on a straight line. It makes a straight line. We can call this PQ line, AB line, whatever we call. It lies on the same line. This is the geometrical representation in a straight line on a coordinate plane of linear equation in two variables. Now, what we conclude after this presentation? We are written here the important points. Every point, every solution. First, every solution of the equation will be a point on the line. Every solution of the equation will be a point on the line. We can see here. And the next line is every point of the equation of one line will be a solution of the equation. Every point that lies in will be a solution of the equation. Now we are going to solve a problem from exercise 4.2. The question number is 4. The viewers are demanding for this question to solve the solution. Now the question number is 4. The question is find the value of k. Find the value of k where the value of x is equals to, if the value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. The equation is 2x plus y is equals to k. Exercise number 4.2 and the question number is 4. Now we are going to solve this question where the value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. We are going to putting this value in this equation. 2 bracket 2 plus y is equals to 1 is equals to k. Now the value of k is equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. The value of 5. We are saying this, all the points are lies on the same plane. If we are taking another points which are lies on this line, we can take 4 comma minus 2. Let us assume these points which are lies on this PQ line. If we are going to put this value in this, let us see that these points are satisfy this equation or not. The equation is 2x plus y is equals to 6 and the points, let assume x is equals to 4 and y is equals to minus 2. Six is equals to 6. It means that all points which lies on this line are satisfied this equation. We conclude these points. You can note this. And now we are going to discuss the last tricky question. Right? This is the time for that. If you have any confusion related this topic, you can comment us on our comment box, and that time is for tricky question. Last question was, if the mother's name is Mrs. 62 and son's name is 52 and daughter's name is 42, then what will be the father's name? We have a viewer who comment us Mr. 62. The name was Shokhi Malik from Faridabad. Comment us that the father's name is 62. You are right. This is the right answer. This is not related to maths. Actually, it just related our IQ level. Okay, now the second question for today. If name the thing which comes once in a year, twice in a month, thrice in a week and 4 times in a day. Sorry, 6 times in a day. Actually, the question is, please listen carefully. Name the thing. And I give you a hint. This is related to our mathematics. Yes, this is related to our maths. Name the thing which comes once in a year, twice in a month, 4 times in a week and 6 times in a day. Now answering me in my comment box, and we will be watching. Thanks for the watching, and if any problem related to this, so you can comment us. Thanking for your comments, your likes, and don't forget to share your friends. Now thanking you.